Welcome everybody. Today we have a gorgeous 1969 Chevelle Pro Touring car. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. Has a 408 Texas Speed LS motor under the hood, the 4L60 overdrive automatic and posi and four-wheel disc brakes and vintage air and sport seats and all that good stuff that a Pro Touring comes with. Full body off frame restoration. Go to volocars.com and that's where you'll find 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So yeah, the body's restored very nicely. I think there's about 700 miles on the odometer. That's since the restoration. This has the SS hood with the dual domes right there. It fits nice and square. It's straight. Nice clean front fender. They eliminated the emblems for a nice clean look. The door fits nice. It's smooth all along the bottom here, all looking really good. Jambs are all painted real nicely. Quarter panels all nice and clean and straight. Trunk looks beautiful. You know, all down along the bottom here is nice and smooth. Lines up square. Same thing on this side. The quarter panels, the doors, the fenders, all look beautiful. It's the color. It's like a burgundy metallic color. It's just stunning in my opinion. Laid out real nice. All the metal flake is even. It has a deep clear coat that's polished, smooth and glossy. The SS stripes on the side are usually a decal. These are painted on. They're under the clear. You don't even feel that they're there. So stunning, attractive colors. Pretty much everything was replaced. All the stainless trim is replaced, nice, shiny, and straight. The door handles, the mirrors, all the glass. I have the windows up on the other side. It's all smoked glass, not the stick-on tint, but the smoked glass, and there's power windows too. More on that later. This emblem, the entire grille assembly, the bumper, the lenses, all new. And then they put on the T3 original style reproduction headlamps, all four of them. Marker lights are replaced. All the weather strips and seals and gaskets were replaced. The vinyl top is new and fits real nice. And then the icing on the cake is the wheels. Billet Specialty wheels, 18s in front, 20s in back, extra wide, and they're all wrapped in performance tires. So the whole look of this car, I think, is killer. Matter of fact, I bought it 4 hours away from here, and I was proud to have it on the back of the flatbed, bringing it home. I was getting lots of waves and thumbs up. Let's open it up. We'll show you the inside. All right, it's that time where we pop the trunk open and check it out. Well, under the trunk lid, look how wet and glossy that is. Same thing with the jamb. Look how nice and thick the clear coat. New weather strip, so that's all beautiful. Inside is solid metal, painted black, has a carpeted floor. You can't really see it, but there are some LED lights under here that I'm sure you'd really notice in the daytime, or nighttime, I mean. And then the battery's relocated to the trunk. It's in a Taylor box, probably stainless steel box. Yeah, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. The jambs are slick, weather strips replaced, sill plates are new. Complete new door panels, handles, armrests. Now those are not window cranks. I told you they're power windows. I wasn't lying to you. Let me see if I can get the key on and demonstrate that real quick for you. Check this out. Power windows. They work really well too. I love that. Well, let's leave the key on and show you the nice gauges. The whole entire instrument panel's replaced. We've got a clock in the middle, 625 miles on the odometer. So the whole instrument panel, the dash pad, the vents, upgraded electric slide vintage air heater control panel, a retro stereo. There are 6x9 speakers in the back. All of this is new. Kick panels look new, more LED lights. Nice fresh carpet with some Lloyd mats, embroidered mats. New original style center console with the staple shifter, but it is updated with the overdrive shift indicator. And I'm sitting on a nice, comfy Pro Car sports seat. It's a reclining seat. And then the back seat is upholstered to match the fronts, and it feels like it has nice, firm cushion. All the seat belts are new reproduction GM. They could have just went with cheap aftermarket belts, but they're reproduction. The side panels are all replaced, an armrest, and again, they're power windows. There's the rear mesh speaker shelf. And then the headliner's all new. The visors are new. Then the tilt column has a nice cushion grip Grant steering wheel. So really a very nice interior with some nice, tastefully done upgrades. Did I tell you the color is gorgeous? I think so. Yeah, we don't restore our cars. I go out and I buy them the best I can find, like this one here, and then it'll roll through the shop where we give it a once over and check it out. So this is a Texas Speed 408 cubic inch stroker motor. They started with the LQ9 engine, which is the motor used in the Escalade. It's an excellent engine for building a performance motor. It does have a tin intake, they would call that, on top. The 102 millimeter throttle body. And you can see how everything's painted. The intake, the coil covers to match the car. Has aluminum heads and stainless steel headers. It's a smooth firewall. I believe this is a catch can. It just gets the fumes and that from the engine, and any little bit of oil drips in here rather than spraying all over the motor. Smooth firewall. Again, everything's painted. Has these nice billet hinges that look great and just work wonderfully. Just super smooth. This is an overflow bottle for the radiator. Big aluminum radiator with an electric fan and a custom shroud. The whole front of the motor has modern components with the serpentine belt. It's a Holley power steering, custom intake tube, Borgeson steering box down there. Looks like all new wiring, power brakes, under the hood's painted. So it's a beautiful motor compartment, but more than that, it's a powerhouse and it's got all the features that you want. Michael's going to demonstrate that. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, yeah, I've been really excited to drive this car. LS2 under the hood, converted by Texas Speed to a 408 stroker. This thing sounds hot, man. It's got a lot of power, nicely built here. Really nice exhaust note too. Everything's redone on the underside, looking fresh, looking nice and clean. Check out the pictures of the undercarriage. 4L80E overdrive automatic transmission. So really nice to add those couple extra gears. That's paired with a 12-volt rear end, 373 posi. So this is going to be a real exciting one to drive. Have lots of fun with it for sure. Power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioner. And yeah, let's see what she's got. All right. Yeah, this thing pulls hard, man. Very nice performer here. Up to 60 miles an hour without a thought. It's got a real nice tight feel to it too. Notice when we switch lanes, upgrade the steering gearbox too. Let's see how it goes down the road. Man, oh man. Did they dial this one in nice? I don't need to do nothing. It's on autopilot, guys. This car is freaking awesome. Fuel injection for turnkey reliability, of course. I can't say anything besides maybe think about pushing the buy it now button. Come down to test drive it if you think you got time to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So this is a body off the frame restoration. The frame and all the components are painted a nice smooth black. The floors are restored, all nice clean metal with the rubberized, like a bed liner type paint, so it's nice and durable. All the suspension and steering's rebuilt, upgraded with Hotchkiss parts as lowering springs, Hotchkiss sway bars front and back. In back it has custom control arms. Custom dual exhaust, stainless steel, X-pipe, MagnaFlow polished mufflers with the chrome tips all the way in the back. The fuel system's all replaced and it's all compatible with the fuel injected motor. All new brake system when they restored the car, discs at all four wheels, the e-brake is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it has a big capacity oil pan, it's anodized, high torque starter. It's a TCI 4L80 transmission. Earlier I said 60, but it's a 4L80E electronic overdrive automatic with a finned aluminum TCI pan, custom trans mount. A rebuilt drive shaft goes through a safety loop and connects to the 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears, and it has a B&M aluminum girdle cover on it. So a lot of upgrades underneath, KYB gas shocks as well. Again, good looking car, and it's got all the right features. This is the one you want. This one you'll be proud to drive around in. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your 69 Chevelle delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.